everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Julia. So today I'm back with another new video of mine, which is a short tutorial of our evening party makeup look. I'm sure you're all going to like it, so stay tuned till the end. And if you like this video, friends, please do click on the like button, like, share and subscribe to my channel if you are new. So come, let's get started with this video of mine quickly. So I've already started with the basic step before starting a makeup tutorial is CTM, which is cleansing toning. So let me get started with the moisturizing. Pink is moisturizer, this much, not required big quantity. Wait for approximately 5 seconds. Now the second step is the primer. I have a color bar primer. Just take a little bit. It's a gel based formula and apply it wherever required. I have open pores over here. Let this dry for approximately 15 seconds. The third step is a concealer. I'm using of Mars number 5 Sandstone. I do not have any dark circles or anything much or any pigmentation, so I will be using a concealer and not any orange or green corrector or anything. Okay. Leave it on the sides over here. That's it. Then with this round brush, I'll just dab it very lightly, as you can see. I will take little bit more on my hand this way. So I feel I require just a little bit more. With a beauty blender, I'll take it this way and just apply it. Yeah. Now before applying the foundation, I will just use a small fan so that this will get into my skin really well and it won't make the entire base very cakey. It will set in well. Just about 15 to 20 seconds. Next step is the foundation. I have a foundation of Forever 52. Don't take a very big amount, just a little. I've just taken this much. With a brush, first we will emulsify this nicely. After that, we will slowly build the coverage. First just apply this. In dabbing motion. Do not apply the foundation below your eyes, if not it will crease. Only till this much. Yeah, and at the end we will just touch it up with a beauty blender. If there's any creases or any lines because of the brush, it will even out. So yeah, the foundation step is even completed. I've used very little. I don't like it to look very cakey or very bright. So this much coverage is enough, friends, for me. I will just use my fan for approximately 20 seconds for everything to settle. So now the next step is I have to apply loose powder on my face to keep everything intact. So we'll just dust out the excess. So I would be not using any bronzer, friends. I would be starting off with a cheek tint of Love Earth. I would just take a little bit. I don't like anything being too bright, and just apply it this way. Blender. Just dab it. Upwards motion. Now after that I will apply a little blush on this area, because as I can see it's little light. I would take a little bit orangish tone and just dab it out, the excess, and then just in a round motion. Beauty blender, I'll just even this out a little bit. Step is, friends, I will be using VLCC's lip balm, so it will moisturize the lips before applying my lipstick. I will start off with the eyes. That same number 5 of concealer. I will add a little bit on my eyes. So if there's any discoloration, correct it just a bit, and I will dab it in with my finger. Set it with the powder lightly. Now after that we'll start with the eyebrows. For the eyebrow filling, I will take a light brown shade and with a little bit of black tone. First we will start from down. Use a powdered one, powdered brow filler. I just fill in whatever there is a little bit of gapping. I don't like it very loud. Just follow your eyebrow lining. That's it. This side as well. We'll first just fill in. So I would be starting off with the eye makeup. First I would be applying a very light shade, light matte shade on the brow bone area, this portion. So the color that I would be starting with is a light orange shade, as you can see. Yeah. We will first dust off the excess, and then on this position we will just lightly just the transition shade. So to just first we will always start off with a light color. Circular motion. So the first shade that I had applied was this shade, light shade. Now I would be starting off with light maroon, this one. This I would be applying on the crease area. First we will the lining over here. We will blend all this. From outer to inner corner. Circular motion. This way. So as you can see, I've applied the eyeshadow on my eyelid. I don't want it very bright, so I will keep it. Now I would be applying a color which is a nice golden color. This shade, a brownish, copperish and with a little bit of golden on this part of my eye. First I would just apply it this way. Tap it in my fingers. I would be adding one more little shimmery shade, which is this one. This is even like a golden. I don't know if it can be seen properly. Just a little bit more. And now we will just blend this little bit. So it will give a little bit more smoother look. So I won't be using my eyeliner. I would start off with the kajal. It will always be 3/4. After that, I will just smudge this in a little. After that, I would take that same maroon shade, the second number, which I had applied. I will just apply it on the lower line. And then I will apply that first shade, which was a little light orange. I would add a little highlighter out here, brow bone. Now I would be applying the mascara. As you can see the difference. Now I will start with the eyelash. I will add a little glue. Let this wait for approximately 10 to 15 seconds. So yeah, as you can see friends, I've applied the eyelash. Now we will end this process with adding the highlighter to our cheeks, nose, lower lip, upper lip and little bit on our forehead. so that it will give a little bit shimmery effect. But I would suggest you, if you have open pores or acne prone skin, if you want to skip this step, you can definitely do so. And then at the end I will just add a little bit of setting spray. So yeah friends, this is how the entire look came up. I hope you like this video friends. Please do subscribe to my channel friend for more such videos, and click on the like button if you liked it friends. Thank you. Till then, bye, take care.